Good evening, everyone. When we talk about powerful cities, what do we actually mean? Is it economy strength or global connection or the ability to influence the world? Today, we're looking at the most powerful city in the world and how they shape globalization. Okay. In our modern world, cities are the more than just a place where people lived and worked. They are global hubs. They connect businesses, culture, technology, and ideal across countries. In fact, some cities are influenced that decision made that can affect economy worldwide. To measure this influence, researchers use the Global Power City Index or GPCI. The index made rank cities based on the ability to attract talent people, global companies, and the environment. So, which city leads the ranking? For several years, London has the consistent ranked number one. It combined a strong finance sector, a world-class universities, rich culture, and excellent international accessibility. It attracts businesses, tourists, creativity, talent from other the globe. Cities like New York and Tokyo also remain major global forces. New York stands out in finance and medical capital, while Tokyo is known it's for innovation and advanced technology. Meanwhile, Asian cities are such Singapore and Beijing continue to rise, strengthening their economy and expanding their global reach. But being powerful isn't just about the money. Some European cities score highly because of their quality of life and environmental efforts. Others stand out for innovation or cultural influences. Each city has its own strength and contribute to its global position. At the same time, global cities face challenges, including high living and cost inequality and environmental pressure. Power comes from the responsibility. In the end, the most powerful cities are not just big or wealthy, they're center of connection and influential. They drive global trends, shape economy, and play a major role in the future of globalization. So when we think about it, global power, we shouldn't only think about the contribution on each country and these cities. Let's move on the configuration news. So Tokyo claimed number 3 ranking for the first time last year and closed the gap on New York, which is number 2 this year. This result on the American cities scoring stalling, and Tokyo continued to improve every year in the cultural interaction, indicator of numbers of visitors from abroad. However, Japan capital city slips on number 4 in economy due to weaker scores, market size, and market attractiveness. So, in Paris, ranked 4 globally, Ice boost from the Olympic from 2024. Paris placed fourth in the latest global cities in index, just behind Tokyo. Despite the challenges brought by the pandemic, the cities remain one of the most influential in the world. The reporters showed that Paris performed especially well in liability, ranking at first in the category. factors like housing condition and balance working, while Paris helps strengthening its scoring. However, the city experienced a slightly drop in cultural interaction, mainly due to reduce from COVID-19. Although an international flight declined at the height of the pandemic, so Paris recovered faster than many other cities, improving in the air passenger number of help stabilizing and overranking. Now all the eyes on 2024 Olympic Games. Expert believes hosting the Olympic could give a Paris a major boost in increasing tourism, revitalizing cultural exchange, and encourage further urban development. So the big question is whether the Olympic is willing to provide a temporary lift to create a long term to growth. For now, Paris stands ready to use this global event as an opportunity to strengthen its position on the world stage. That's it for now.